Gutters are one of the most important parts of your home's exterior protection system. They channel rainwater away from your roof and foundation, preventing water damage, erosion, and costly repairs. Yet, many homeowners in Clinton Township overlook proper installation techniques, leading to problems that can appear just months after new gutters are installed. Understanding these common mistakes can help you avoid frustration, leaks, and expensive do-overs. Choosing the wrong gutter size. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is installing gutters that are too small for their roof. Standard 5-inch gutters may work for smaller homes, but larger or steeply pitched roofs in Clinton Township often require 6-inch gutters to handle heavy rainfall and snowmelt. Undersized gutters overflow easily, leading to water pooling around your foundation or seeping into siding and fascia boards. Before you install, consider your roof size, pitch, and local weather patterns to determine the correct gutter capacity. Ignoring proper slope and alignment. Gutters must be installed with the right pitch to allow water to flow smoothly toward downspouts. A common mistake is setting gutters perfectly level or with an uneven slope. If the slope is too flat, water collects and stagnates, leading to rust, sagging, and mosquito breeding. If it's too steep, water rushes too quickly and may overshoot the downspouts. The ideal slope is about 1/4 inch for every 10 feet of gutter, enough to ensure consistent drainage without affecting appearance. Incorrect downspout placement. Downspouts play a key role in moving water away from your home. Installing too few downspouts or placing them incorrectly can cause gutters to overflow during storms. A good rule of thumb is to have at least one downspout for every 30 to 40 feet of gutter. Additionally, ensure that downspouts direct water at least 5 to 10 feet away from your home's foundation to prevent flooding or basement leaks. Homeowners in Clinton Township often deal with clay-heavy soil that retains water, making downspout placement even more crucial. Neglecting seam and joint sealing. If your gutters are not seamless, every joint and corner needs proper sealing. Over time, weather exposure and debris can weaken these seals, leading to slow leaks that damage fascia boards and siding. Using high-quality silicone or specialized gutter sealant helps prevent leaks and extend your system's lifespan. It's also important to inspect seams annually, especially before Michigan's winter freeze-thaw cycles, which can expand cracks and worsen leaks. Failing to secure gutters properly. Gutters that aren't securely fastened can sag or pull away from your home after a few heavy rainfalls. This usually happens when installers use too few hangers or space them too far apart. Hangers should be placed every 2 to 3 feet, and extra support is needed at corners and near downspouts. Using hidden hangers or heavy-duty brackets designed for Michigan's snow load can keep your gutters securely attached year-round. Overlooking gutter guards. Many homeowners think gutter guards are optional, but in areas like Clinton Township, where trees are abundant, they are an essential part of gutter maintenance. Leaves, twigs, and roof granules can quickly clog gutters and downspouts, leading to water overflow and ice dams in winter. Installing high-quality gutter guards reduces the need for frequent cleaning and ensures smooth water flow all year long. Not accounting for roof runoff patterns. Every home has unique runoff points where water concentrates during rainfall. Ignoring these can lead to gutters that don't catch all the water from the roof, especially around valleys or dormers. A professional installer will analyze these areas and adjust the gutter layout to ensure complete coverage. Homeowners who skip this step often face issues with water spilling over the edges, defeating the purpose of the gutter system. Final thoughts. A properly installed gutter system protects your Clinton Township home from serious water-related damage. Avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the right size, ensuring correct slope, sealing seams, securing hangers, and planning downspout placement, can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. If you're unsure about your current gutter setup or planning a new installation, consider consulting a local professional who understands Michigan's climate challenges. With the right design and installation, your gutters will keep your home safe, dry, and beautiful for years to come.